Okay, today I'm gonna show you how you can add Vignette and letterbox to your video. So first thing you want to do, add your video. Okay, as always I pick this one and then I just scroll. Okay, so letterbox is pretty much two bar down here. You can find it on Google by searching letterbox. Like that, go image. I'm pretty sure you could find, or you could just make one yourself, which is not that difficult. On Blender, all you have to do is go add effect strip and go to color. Alright, stretch your color. Okay, on color, go to image offset, that way you can move it around. Make sure this blend is on alpha over. So all you have to do is just move this up the way you wanted it. Let's say right there. And to do the bottom one, same thing, just duplicate it. Control D to duplicate it. Control D and scroll this one down. There you go, you have a letterbox. Okay, now you notice some video on the edge right here, it gets darkened a little bit. The way you can do that is, I think they call it Vignette. So you can go Google again and search for Vignette. There you go. There. Just cover them here. Just save one. Try to look for the one that's transparent in the middle. I think I have one saved myself, so let me try to open up and see. Well, pretty much you go add image. Let's see, where did I put mine? I think I have mine right here. Here it is. Stretch it. The reason you stretch it is to tell Blender where you want to cover, just to apply to the video, like how far you want it here to here, or you want it longer. But anyway, you load this up, go blend again, go alpha over. Now you notice how the edge is kind of darkened. It makes this little cool effect. It's darkened, right? So you can control this with opacity. You could light it up or darken even further. Cool, huh? There. Now they have this little cool edge darken in your video. Okay, that's how you do your letterbox. Oh, where is it? Here it is. And another. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.